Oh snap, you've got to be kidding me. Oh man.
Let's do it.
Hey, what's up everybody? If you're one of the usual suspects who are always hanging around the channel, man, I appreciate you. But give me a second, let me talk to the new people. What's up, new guy, girl? If you want to see some down-to-earth reviews and some good quality YouTube entertainment, make sure right now you smash that subscribe button. And since you got your thumb all out there, go ahead and hit that little bell too. That way you get the notifications when I put up a new video. Now, let's get into the video. So I got this package in the other day from my man, Robbie Mungin. Now, I'm a little nervous about opening it up because me and Robbie, we've been talking for a little bit, and he's been trying to get me to eat this meat product called Scrapple. Have you ever heard of that? It's called Scrapple. It's a meat product. And I told him I'm gonna try it, man, but I haven't been able to find it in the stores. So he sends me this package, and I'm kind of scared to open it up, man. It's not heavy. It doesn't smell like meat products. And if it was in the mail, please don't let it be meat products. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing on camera. That way I can say thank you to Robbie. I'm gonna say thank you anyways for taking the time out of your day to send me this package, man. I really appreciate you, man. But I wanted to open it up on camera. That way y'all can enjoy it with me. And apparently I started this video, got down here and forgot my unboxing knife. Okay, let's get this underway. I've been waiting to unbox this thing. I wanna know what it is. God, please don't let it be meat products, man. How you gonna ship some meat products? Oh snap, you've got to be kidding me. Oh man. Oh, Robbie, come on, man. God, dog. Dude, you ain't even have to do this, man. So these are the Samson SR850 professional studio reference headphones. This is insane, man. How you just gonna send me this out of the blue without even telling me, dude? Let me unbox these real quick. Hold on, maybe we should make this into a review. So before we officially unbox these bad boys, we gotta go to JDL Studios and we gotta do this the right way. Okay, man, this is crazy. All right, man, all right, I'm excited. Y'all gotta work with me now. I'm really excited. So this is kind of an impromptu review. Let me put my computer over here real quick. Let's get into it, man. All right, what's up everybody? Man, I'm back and we got a special surprise here today from my man, Robbie Mungin.
Let's do it.
Now, me and Robbie chat off and on, man. He's told me about these headphones before, but he knows, just like the rest of y'all, I'm not a wired headphone guy. So he took it upon himself to send me these Samson SR850s just so I could try them out. Very, very generous guy, man. Robbie's my homie, man. Anyways, let's get into these headphones, man. These are reference headphones. So you could probably use them for casual listening, but these are reference headphones, meaning that they are basically gonna be super balanced, not bass tuned or anything like that. These are gonna give you really good natural quality sound. Now, obviously he thinks a lot about these headphones to just send them to me without me knowing, because he knows I do reviews. So it's a possibility I'm gonna trash the hell out of these headphones. Especially since they're wired headphones. But we're gonna see. Oh, wait a minute. It says open ear for ambient listening. These are open backs? Get out of here. Let me see this. Okay, let's just get into the box, man. Let's just get into the box. All right, so first off, we got some, oh, that's clean. Okay, we got, what is this? What is this? Oh, this is from Robbie. Okay, wait a minute, okay, it says, Antoine, I'm tired of looking at the box headphones sitting on my floor, not being used. These are yours to review. So the SR850s are some instructions. Who needs instructions with a pair of wired headphones? Anyways, let's get into it. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, nothing else in the box. And now we have the star of the show. Okay, first off, I'm gonna tell you that the headphones do not disconnect from the cord. So the cord is just attached permanently. If you mess up this cord, you are done. It's time to buy a new set of headphones. But I do recognize that these things weigh almost nothing. Golly, these are super light. And I'll be honest, man, these are my first headphones with velour ear pads. They seem a little bit on the rigid side, but these things are like that fuzz. I can't wait to put them on my head. Let's talk about the build quality. Come on in here. Come on. There you go. Okay. Okay, now as I said before, they got these nice soft velour ear cups. They do feel a little stiff as far as the rigidity of the foam inside, but yeah, they're replaceable. I'm not gonna take that off right now, maybe later. But let's walk around the outside. So you got this company branding right here. You got the SR850s, 32 ohms, so they should work with just your phone. I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Samsung is not known for having a good DAC. If you want a good quad DAC, then I think you should go with I think it's LG that makes those that puts those quad DACs in their phones. But yeah, this is not a good DAC to have. So if you really want to push these bad boys, you get yourself an amplifier, like a stationary amplifier, or one of those portable amps that people are always talking about. I don't own one myself. So we just gonna test these things out with my little sorry Samsung phone here. All right, so we're on the left side. The cord is attached, like I said, but you got these open back grills right here. Open back goodness. Then you got this thick vinyl headband that kind of separates from this wire headband that I guess it kind of, oh, okay, I see what's happening here. So there's like this little rubber band attached to here, and that kind of makes it auto adjust as you put it on your head. So when you put it on your head, it kind of just falls where it needs to go, and that just keeps tension right there. And that's why they're two separate items. But it has a nice retro design. Going around to the right-hand side, you see the R right there, and yep, got that same sliding mechanism with the rubber band attached right there. Other than that, man, there's not really a whole lot more to these headphones other than the corded side where you have this 6.2 millimeter plug right here. But it looks, yep, it screws off, and that way it goes into your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. If you got a headphone jack in your phone, I keep forgetting that all phones don't have headphone jacks anymore. Let's leave this to the side. So now that we've talked about the build quality, by the way, this cable is pretty thick, and we need to see how long this is. Okay, that's pretty long. I'm pretty sure that's a little bit longer than 6 feet. Okay, let's put them on my head for the very first time. Wow, they just kind of fall in place. They almost feel like nothing, okay? Like when I say that, it's a compliment. They almost feel like they're not on your head, with the exception of there's a little bit of clamping force here, and I feel like the only reason I can feel that clamping force is because, like I thought, these ear pads are a little rigid. And I'm a bald head dude, so this vinyl right here is kind of, you know, it's touching my head, and it's not really forgiving because there's no foam in there. So if you got a hat on, or if you have hair, this will not bother you. But if you're a bald head guy, you're gonna feel this kind of just laying on top of your head. If these are any good, I'm gonna definitely replace the ear cups with some softer ones, because, man, okay, yep, open back. They don't block out any sound, okay? And I like that. That's what these are for. These are for like a studio environment. So let's get into this. Let's plug it into the phone. All right, what are we gonna listen to? I'm gonna listen to a nice variety of music today. Ooh, okay, so Live Your Life by Yuna. That's what I was listening to last. God. Hey. You want to. Okay, Robbie. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Let me see. Ooh! Oh, that's that Rakim. There it go. I ain't no joke. I used to let the mic smoke. Now slam it on the ground and make sure it's broke. Man, that's the hardest verse in hip hop ever of all time. I know there's been a lot of hard verses in hip hop, man, but that's gotta be the coldest hip hop verse of all time. I ain't no joke. Okay, I'm supposed to be doing headphones. Okay, hold on, let me go into, I'm gonna just sample a couple of different songs just to see how good these really are. Okay, so that was let me play a bass heavy song. Let me see, what's really bass heavy? Oh, here's a bass heavy one, So Real by Fat Pat. This is the screw version. It's going down.
Oh, 6 screw the click, know what I'm talking about? With them popped up in here, know what I'm saying?
Okay, that's, the bass is there. The bass is there. All right, let me go into some indie music for a second, just to get something different. Let me see. That song jams. I really like these headphones. Man, they make my crappy Samsung phone sound good. Hold on, you know what? Let's go into some funk. 1, 2, 3. Oh, snap. You can really hear the instruments in this. Little child running wild. All right, Robbie, damn it, man. I like him. I like him a lot. Man, I definitely got to get me some different ear pads, man. These are really stiff. But I'm going to go to Brainwaves and get me brainwaves.com, or I think you probably find some. Oh, let me tear this open real quick. What is this? Yeah, let's put that back on there. But the ear pads do come off and you can change them out, which is super cool because that's what I'm gonna do. I really like, damn, they sound so good. All right, so everything is really balanced. The bass is not heavy, but you can still feel it. Man, the clarity of these headphones is ridiculous. Really beautiful, bright sound. And the instrument separation is really good in these. Like you can hear it coming from, even on each side of your hearing, which is left and right, on each side you can hear like where the instrument is, like whether it's on up in the front or in the back or just like right out to the side. And then you can hear some stuff over here too. So that was really cool for me to experience in these open backs, but I think these are like semi-open backs, which is, oh man, dude, all right. So I usually edit with these because these feel so comfortable. And they really sound good, but these are definitely a more natural sound. These are the One Audio Studio Pros. I might have to put those on pause for a while and do these Samsons while I'm editing, man. These are awesome. Robbie, thank you so much, man. You know, it's crazy, man. This YouTube thing, I've been doing this for 2.5 years. I met some really cool people along the way. Robbie Mungeon, you are definitely one of the cool folks on the list.
My nigga.
Hey, speaking of cool folks on the list, I made a Facebook page for us, man. So if y'all want to continue the conversation about anything, y'all know I like to talk about any and everything. It's not just headphones and tech. So if y'all want to continue this conversation, y'all go ahead and go over to the Facebook page. It's called the JDL Fam. Link is in the description. Let's finish this conversation there. But anyways, I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I just like listening to headphones and talking trash. But look, before I get out of here, you make sure you go ahead and tap on that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one. All right, apparently you had a good time watching this video. Well, today's your lucky day because I done already made a whole bunch of them for you to go back and binge watch. But if you just want to check out the new stuff, you make sure you smash on that subscribe button and tap that little bell. That way you'll know when it's time to come back and open up some new stuff.